Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Smart Cleaner Storage Cleanup app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Smart Cleaner Storage Cleanup is a utility app designed to help users clean, organize, and optimize their phone storage. It automatically scans for duplicate photos, large videos, temporary files, and unused data that take up valuable space on your device. Available on both iOS and Android, the app makes it easier to manage storage with just a few taps and keep your phone running smoothly. The app's main feature is its smart scanning system. It identifies duplicate and similar photos, blurred images, and unnecessary files that can be safely deleted. It also allows users to merge duplicate contacts, clean junk data, and even manage large files manually through detailed categories. Many users find this especially helpful for freeing up gigabytes of space and improving overall device performance. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's clean design, quick scan times, and accuracy in finding redundant files. The ability to organize photo libraries and optimize device memory without deep technical knowledge is one of its biggest strengths. It's also lightweight and performs smoothly without draining much battery. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version offers limited cleaning options and frequent ads, while the full functionality, including deep cleaning and unlimited duplicate removal, requires a paid subscription. Some users also report that the app occasionally flags photos or files they want to keep, so manual review is recommended before deletion. In summary, the Smart Cleaner Storage Cleanup app may be worth using if you're looking to free up space, manage files efficiently, and improve your device's speed with minimal effort. However, if you prefer free tools or already manage storage manually, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.